myself Shruti. Welcome back to my channel. Today it's a special time for me to celebrate 1000 subscribers. I am so happy and thankful for all who have supported and subscribed my channel. So today I am back with one more informative video which is about wheat. So I'll be telling about the health benefits of wheat. So we all know that wheat is consumed by everybody to control obesity problem. It boosts up the energy level and it also inhibit type 2 diabetes. It is very helpful for our metabolic process since it contains rich fiber content. So it is a cereal grain, belong to cereal grain, and it contains three layers which is called bran, germ and endosperm. In that, endosperm is very important because it contains or it acts as an energy source for us, whereas germ layer contains vitamin E, vitamin B and vitamin E6, so which is very important for our overall maintenance of the health. It is wheat is mainly used by women for controlling the obesity problem. So it helps in decreasing the cholesterol. As I said, it increases the energy level as it has vitamin B in it, carbohydrates which keeps our stomach full. You might have observed if we have consume chapati or any wheat recipe, then we will feel our stomach full for long time. This also helps in overcoming various metabolic disorders like diabetes, and as it contains magnesium which acts as a cofactor for insulin, and hence it helps in glucose secretion. And another important point is that wheat contains a component called betaine which helps in reducing the inflammation. It also contains lignin which makes it rich with dietary fiber. With this, it decreases the blood pressure, and also for those who consume wheat or wheat related products, chances of heart attack is very less. Since wheat contains bran in it, it acts as a prebiotic or probiotic, which enhances the useful microorganism which is present in the intestine. Along with all these internal body benefits, it also helps in overall maintenance or enhancement of skin, hair growth and also vision, eye vision, as it contains selenium, zinc, vitamin E, etc. It contains one more component called iron, which is a folate, helps in production of serotonin, and that is why energy level will be high. But one more problem is the only difficulty is most of the people cannot digest wheat. That is why we usually soak it with warm water, and while preparing chapatis we prepare the dough and keep it overnight. But still, most of the people, or like kids or aged people, it will be difficult for them to digest wheat. And always while consuming wheat we have to select whole wheat rather than processed wheat, because in case of processed wheat we will be losing lots of nutrition. So I'll be telling one recipe wherein how we can prepare a delicious recipe by soaking whole wheat, and which is easily digestible by any kind of people, like either kids or aged people, or those who have less metabolic process also. Whenever we soak any cereal grain, it becomes highly nutritious and it will be easy to digest, and also it enhances the flavor. And one thing is it has a anti-nutrient called phytic acid, and because of phytic acid it is hard to digest. So when we soak it in water, it releases an enzyme called phytase. Phytase is easily digestible, and for any person it will be easy to digest, and it gives maximum health benefits. So all of you try to consume more and more wheat in your daily routine, and which helps in the overall wellness. So this is how you have to soak wheat for 2 days, whole wheat grain, and you have to remove the entire water, as water will become sour because of this 5 days. So you have to sieve water and add fresh water, and you have to make it a thin paste by grinding it. Since it will be soaked for 2 days, it will be very soft and you will obtain a thin paste. So parallelly, you have to dissolve jaggery in water. It is always good to have jaggery than sugar, since it will be having good iron content. So soak it in water and keep it in high flame for 5 minutes, so that jaggery will dissolve completely and it form a gummy mixture. See, once the grinding is over, you will get a slurry kind of thing, which should be easily filtered through sieve. You can add extra water to make it more thin, so that easily you can sieve it through the juice siever. See, like this you have to sieve, and you have to take only liquid part, which we call it as wheat milk. So you have to filter it and all the hard particles should be removed. Since we have removed all the bran part, so it becomes easily digestible, and it also becomes very much yummy and delicious for anybody to have. How much ever water you can add water, and you filter all the contents which is present, and only the bran part can be discarded. See, like this you will get the wheat milk, and parallelly you can see that the jaggery mixture is ready, and to this we can add 1 or 2 elachi to enhance the flavor of the recipe. Before adding wheat milk, you have to make sure the jaggery is completely dissolved and it form a gummy paste kind of thing, so that this wheat milk will neatly mix with this jaggery mixture. It should fall drop by drop. At that time, you can again filter it and add the wheat milk to the jaggery mixture. Once you add this milk, you have to keep on stirring continuously until it become a thick paste. Like this, filter it completely and keep on stirring it, as this milk is very soft. So once it becomes a thick paste like this, add either butter or ghee or any oil and mix, so that the halwa becomes very soft, and it will be easily gets dissolved in the mouth. To one plate you can grease it with butter or oil. So once the mixture is ready, halwa mixture is ready, you will get to know how it is done is when you put a drop of it on water, it should not get dissolved there, and it should remain as a thick paste in the water. It should not get dissolved. See, it is not getting dissolved. It is settled as a thick paste. So now at last mix it nicely and then pour it on the plate which is greased with butter. There should not be any clumps left. So it should be like this, where it should easily drop from the spatula. Once it reaches this stage, you can pour and allow it to settle down. Spread it nicely on the plate and allow it to settle for 2 hours, or you can keep it in the fridge also, so that it will settle fast. Once it is done, cut it into pieces. All of you please try this. It is very easy to prepare and it is very delicious. Kids and aged people can easily digest wheat in this way. So all of you try it at your home and please comment me your opinion. Hope all of you will try it at your home and give me your opinion. So all of you watch, share and subscribe my channel. That will always motivate me to make more and more videos. Thank you all. Thank you very much for watching the video.